All right, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I want to welcome you to the Suspenders Show. This is the IRL Kitchen, the #1 cooking show. I am your host, Suspenders. Thank you for joining us wherever you are in the world. Fighting a little bit of a hangover from yesterday, but hopefully we can get through this one. We also have a special guest who's joining us today. Uncle is making a return today to cook us some Thai food. Uncle's going to be making pork tom yum. For this particular recipe, we're going to need 1.5 pounds of chicken breasts or thighs, Greek yogurt. Let me just check to see if I have yogurt. No yogurt! Whatever. Uncle can get that at the store probably. Lemon juice. I have no lemon. 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. What the hell is mustard oil? I never even heard of that. Coriander. Man, this is such a long recipe. So we got pretty much everything. Man, this might be too difficult to make. Everything uses yogurt. I can't even message Uncle. I don't have my phone. No, we can't make this thing. Fuck it. I don't care. Too difficult. Fuck it. Too difficult. We can't make that shit. Yogurt. I don't got no yogurt. We gotta make something that I actually have. We have chicken, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna make a calzone stromboli. That seems pretty good. I've not made a stromboli on this show yet, so that seems like a good one. I already know how to make it. Ricotta cheese, Parmesan. Baby, we got enough to make a calzone. Yeah. Alright, well, we're gonna do 2 recipes today, I guess. We'll do the chicken Alfredo. That sounds pretty good. And we will also do the calzone. I think these are 2 of the fan favorites that people wanted to do anyway, so we can knock out 2. And so obviously, since we're doing a calzone, we need to get our pizza dough. Let's go and grab our mixer. Where is my mixer? I gotta go to the store. Oh, I should have bought that small KitchenAid Pro. So what I usually like to do in the very beginning, I like to take a little bit of olive oil, and I'm gonna put it right into the bowl just to get the sides of the bowl so that the oil doesn't stick. We gotta get our expensive flour. We're gonna have to revisit the tikka marsala when I go out and buy some eggs and yogurt. All right, so this recipe calls for 2 cups of flour. So I'm using 00 semolina flour. Motherfucker. I already messed up. Damn it. I hate drinking. Well, we can do it like this anyway. What we need to do is make the yeast. That's what I was trying to do. So we're going to just make yeast real quick. So I'm going to take some instant yeast. I'm going to grab some honey. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take about a tablespoon of honey and put it in there. And then we're going to fill this up with 3/4 cup. 3/4 cup. 3/4 cup water into the bowl. There we go. Put our yeast in here, just like so. All right, and that's good to go. We're gonna leave that to the side for like, I don't know, 2-3 minutes. So we're gonna add the other flour here. Our yeast is ready, nice and frothy, as you can see. That was only about like 2 minutes or so. That's ready to go, as you can see. Let me feel the dough. I can feel the dough and see if it's done yet. I am a professional at dough because the dough wasn't even actually mixing. It was just going around in the circle, but it wasn't mixing. All right, the dough feels nice. Wow, that's some good feeling dough. If anything, at least the dough feels good. Damn it. It's actually not good. See that? It's not smooth yet. We'll add a little bit of olive oil to it. Fuck, it's sticking on my hands. Dude, this is so annoying. Whatever, it's not the greatest. It's breaking apart really easy. We'll just let it rise for a little bit. Something like this, and just put this to the side and see what happens a little bit later. All right, we got to move into the next segment, which is unk. All right, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, we're going to be welcoming a guest to the kitchen. All right, Uncle, what are you cooking today?
Soup.
What? Soup.
Soup.
You're going to make, what's the name soup?
Tom cheers.
Tom Cheers?
Yeah, Tom cheers.
Tom Cheers.
Yeah.
Please explain to everybody what is this. So show everybody what you have to make this Tom. I forget the name of what we're making already. Tom Cheer. So you guys can see all these ingredients. We green onions, parsley, kapow, bai makut, ginger. So this is ginger. So you're gonna need this. So you already need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Takai.
Takai, which is lemongrass.
Takai. Yeah.
And then you have red peppers. So what else? That's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like vegetable type things that you need. And then obviously here we have the pork. So you got pork. I also got the other thing that I bought you. Where did it go? You don't know the name of this? You don't even know the name of your own fruit, bro, or a vegetable. Uncle doesn't even know the name, man. Like chef, by the way. Chef, by the way.
No.
We're gonna call it a squash. I think it's a squash. Here, let's touch.
Okay.
Here, let's touch. That's weird, man. Don't ever come up with that again, man. That's weird shit. All right, Uncle, I'm gonna step to the side. I let you do some cooking. You show us what you're making over here. You know what I mean? Yeah, pork. Can you say English? Pork.
Mu.
Moo.
Kaduk mu.
Kadoob moo?
Yeah.
Kadoob moo? All right, well, we got some kadoob moo. All right, so Uncle's going to be cutting up the kadoob moo. These are the pork ribs. Oh no, the dough is ruined. Oh shit, motherfucker. Motherfucker, bro. Shit. The fucking dough. The dough is ruined. All right, well, you're cutting. You're cutting the squash. This is squash. Yeah, man, this is fucked up, bro. The fucking tissue paper, I gotta rip it off. I gotta save this dough. Damn it. All right. So we're coming down to the end of the squash. Uncle prepped the squash. Very good, very good. All right. What do we have now? We're going to do the green onions. Uncle's prepping the green onion and he's washing everything. Uncle likes to wash everything multiple times. That's why he always takes a shower 5 times a day. He's keeping the roots of the parsley root. That gives it flavor. So you're just going to give it a chop. Here, let me move this stuff out of here. Wait. So he's just chopping it up now. Nice little chop. All right. Taking a look at my dough, it's rising, but I had to rip the whole top. Oh, there's still some here. Shit. I had to rip off the whole top layer to get rid of the napkin. Okay, Uncle, yeah. Okay, Uncle. Chicken stock, chicken bouillon cube, and also this pork bouillon. These are the 2 staples here in Thailand. These basically use these for everything. Okay, I ain't going to the store to get the Evian, cooking with Evian. Oh, you can turn off fire. Turn up. Yeah. And you're gonna put the pot on the flame. So he put the roots in first, and then he's gonna add bouillon cube. How much water? You think like 1 liter, 2 liter? 2 liters. 2 liters. So 2 liters of water, and now he added a chicken bouillon. So 2 chicken bouillon cubes, 2 liters of water, and the parsley roots that he cut off the parsley. Well, so that was about like, oh man, that was a tablespoon. Give me that shit, you know what I'm saying? Okay, you're putting in the pork now. All right, the like little baby back ribs or something like that. Oh, yeah, now the squash goes in. I think it's definitely squash, by the way. I guess that's the stuff from inside the bones. What is this from? From bone? Bone?
Yeah.
From the bones, right? Yeah, from the bones. Oh, Fa! Why you shake? Oh, you're pretty good. You're pretty good. You're pretty good. I want to make sure that you're, you know what I'm saying? Are you stressed out or something? You know what I'm saying? What's going on? You can talk to me. Last night we bonded. You know what I mean? We bonded last night, man.
Yeah.
If you're nervous or whatever, don't be nervous. People love you because they like your cooking.
Okay.
So don't worry. So he's gonna break off a little bit of this pork bouillon cube and put it in. So he added about 1 bouillon cube's worth, and then, oh shit, like 2 bouillon cubes worth. All right, I mean, it's looking good. It's looking good. Yeah, cooked this pretty good. I want to see when he starts adding like the final ingredients. It's good for when you're drunk.
มันดีสำหรับตอนคุณเมา
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? When you need to sober. Oh, so fish sauce. That was like 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. So he just threw in some fish sauce. Fish sauce is like really salty. Yeah. Fish sauce is like a little bit salty or whatever. Oh, you're waiting for the vegetable to cook. Oh yeah, so this looks good. My calzone has doubled in size, so that's good. I don't even know if I got whole milk, man. Do I got 2 cups of whole milk? Man, I don't even have no milk. Well, we might just make the calzone today. You know what I mean? I got a lot of chicken. I don't know what to do with. Maybe I'll put it in the calzone. Let me taste one. Man, you threw out a lot of soup. Sometimes I know what it's supposed to taste like. Here. You like it when it's fucking just like tearing apart. To me, that would be cooked already, but Uncle just wants to cook longer. I think you just want to be on the show longer, Uncle. You can tell us the truth. Uncle just wants to be on the show longer. All right, while Uncle's doing that, I'm actually gonna take my dough and I'm gonna re-roll it one more time and then let it grow one more time. Because I think that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to like roll it one more time, like this. Closing it up at the bottom. Oh, I missed it. You put in all the vegetables. Okay, Uncle finally put in all the vegetables. All right, sus gatekeeping Uncle. What about this?
No. Kapow. No.
Are you're gonna make kapow too?
Yeah.
All right, I guess we're wrapping it up. This finish. All right, well that was it. All right.
Chicken, kapow, chicken.
No, I'm okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna make something else. Maybe I can make a little chicken kapow. Just a little bit. Uncle can do the chicken kapow too, so we can see 2 different recipes. Why not? All right. All right, it's a little bit hot. We'll bet noon, because hot. We'll put this to the side. I just want to show chat what this looks like. Name? Tom Chut.
Yeah.
This is the Tom Chut stew. Look at how beautiful that looks. All right, so what we got here now, Uncle's just gonna prep some of the hot peppers. All right, there, he puts all the red peppers there. Ooh, garlic, and some garlic. I remember he just put some right in, not even peeling them. So he's starting out with 5 garlics, and we'll see how many of these peppers that he puts in here. I'm not exactly sure, but I'll give you an understanding. So if you want to make this at home, you can. I don't know, let me see, about a half cup. 13 pieces of the spicy right there. You can see it. So he's going to blend this. And there you go. You got power on. Yeah, okay. All right, there you go. He's gonna grab the cutting board now, and he's gonna prep the chicken. And he's cutting it lengthwise of the chicken breast, as you can see, and then he's chopping off like little chunks of chicken. All right, looks good. So he's got the kapow leaves, and he's just basically going to take off the leaves. I remember him doing this the last time, so I wonder if you can get these leaves in America. Not exactly sure. You probably can. I just don't know what the American word is for this particular dish, for this particular plant. But here it's called kapow. Kapow. So you could do the translation. See this? What this says? I showed you before. Can you read English? No.
Sus.
Sus. This is sus. sus steel, bro. Sus steel. So I don't think it matters what kind of oil. So he's using a corn oil. We just added corn oil, and then in with the seasonings. Man, that's a lot of heat and garlic. All right, so Uncle's doing up with the garlic and the oil and the hot pepper. All right, and then in with the chicken. We just dump the chicken in there. You don't have to go like this, flip, like this. You don't know how to do that? I tell you how to do it. This is a professional, you know what I mean? Like this. Oh, God! I fire! Yeah, I'm about to blow down the kitchen. Man, I remember this friggin' part, man. This shit just hits your lungs like crazy, bro. Yeah, that shit just be hitting your lungs. Imagine throwing out some chicken. This is oyster sauce. So we added about like 2 tablespoons worth of oyster sauce to the mix. And now he's going to put some of that pork bouillon in. I'll say about 1 cube's worth of bouillon. And then this is, I don't know what this is. What is this? Soy sauce.
Yeah.
Soy sauce. And now Uncle's going to add some sugar. About a tablespoon worth of sugar. Damn. And he's just moving it around in the pan. Tasting his food to make sure that it tastes good. Okay. Uncle knows what it's supposed to taste like, obviously. And then in with the holy basil. There we go. In with the holy basil at the end, just to knock it out. This looks good. That's a perfect amount right there. Put it out there, but you guys can see it. This is the chicken kapow. And we also have the pork soup, yeah. All right, so first we are going to taste our pork soup. I'm gonna get a nice thing of pork. Look at that, baby. Soup. All right, let's eat some pork. I love this shit. With some rice, this is gonna be hitting right here. This is a solid 9. 9.
Okay.
Very good, 9. All right, let's do this one. Damn. Well, damn. That's a 10.
Oh!
That's a 10, bro. Oh, that's a 10. That should taste crazy good. Perfect. For me.
Yeah.
Actually, Uncle's really good at cooking Thai food. So that's why we invite him here, because a lot of people are interested in the Thai cuisines. You know, Uncle's been cooking this probably his whole life. So he's mastered how to make what he likes. And that's why we like to have him here on the show. By giving a 9 for this and a 10 for this, honestly just speaks volumes about his cooking ability and being able to make foods of his country, which is Thailand. In Thailand, foods are so delicious. Like, I don't eat enough of it, but it's so delicious. Thank you, Uncle. Everybody, let's give Uncle a big round of applause. Uncle deserves it. He came here and spent time with us today. That's my ass, Uncle. You're grabbing my ass, Uncle. Why are you grabbing my ass? Why are you grabbing my ass? You are grabbing my ass, Uncle.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's give Uncle money for beer. Uncle, you can buy yourself Leo.
Leo.
Leo. No, me. No, it's okay.